Welcome to the FERNO NeoMate training video. The NeoMate is an infant restraint system designed to provide safe and secure transport for infants weighing between 5 and 14 pounds, or 2.3 to 6.4 kilograms, when used on approved stretchers. Before using the NeoMate, it's critical to review the following safety information. Only trained personnel should operate the NeoMate. Always stay with the patient. An unattended infant can be injured. Use the NeoMate only as described in this video and the user's manual. Secure and snug all straps. Loose or unsecured straps can result in serious injury or death. Never use the NeoMate as an immobilization device or in the front seat of an ambulance. If the NeoMate is involved in a vehicular accident, it must be removed from service and replaced. Remove any restraints currently attached to the stretcher. Raise the stretcher backrest as needed to attach the NeoMate to the stretcher and to suit the patient. Follow local protocols for positioning the patient. Unroll the NeoMate and lay it flat on the stretcher mattress with all straps extended. Center the NeoMate left to right on the mattress. Position the NeoMate so the base is aligned with the joint of the stretcher. The gray backrest strap should align with where you expect the patient's shoulders to rest. Position the gray strap system at the level of the patient's chest. Run the backrest strap around the stretcher, fasten the buckle, and be sure to leave a little slack for adjustment. Once positioned, secure the NeoMate to the stretcher. Thread a mainframe strap downward between the mattress and stretcher mainframe near the head end sidearm casting. Then, wrap it around the frame and buckle securely. Repeat the process with the second mainframe strap. Tighten each strap by holding the buckle and pulling the free end firmly until snug. Now, it's time to secure the infant. Place the patient on the NeoMate and adjust its position if the backrest strap is not aligned at the shoulders. Wrap body strap number 1 around the patient's chest and buckle. Wrap body strap number 2 around the patient's waist and buckle. Now, pull the tabs on both body straps to tighten. Then, pull the crotch strap up between the legs and lay it flat across the abdomen. Lift one shoulder strap over the shoulder, slide the patient's arm through, and click into the central buckle. Repeat the process for the other shoulder. Now, thread the left shoulder strap through the chest clip and slide the clip to armpit level. Tighten by pulling the red straps and steadying the central buckle. Repeat the same process for the other side. Finally, confirm the crotch strap is properly fastened. Ensure all straps are snug but comfortable, allowing the infant to breathe easily. And finally, adjust the backrest strap as needed. To release the patient, loosen the crotch strap. Slide the chest clip down and unthread the shoulder strap on the left side and remove the shoulder straps. Loosen and slide the straps away from the patient and lift the patient according to local protocols. After use, properly store the NeoMate by detaching it from the stretcher and spreading it flat. Attach the shoulder straps to the central buckle and smooth out all straps. Fold the backrest straps across the blanket. Fold the mainframe straps inward. Fold the crotch panel toward the center. Now, beginning at the crotch panel, roll the NeoMate upward and secure it with the attached black buckles. Routine maintenance keeps your NeoMate safe and ready for use. Disinfect after each use by wiping or spraying an approved disinfectant. Clean with warm, soapy water. Rinse and air dry straps, but avoid immersing buckles. Inspect your NeoMate before every use. Check for wear, secure stitching, smooth buckle operation, and ensure there are no cuts or tears. Remove the NeoMate from service if it is damaged or involved in an accident. Remember, proper use and care of the NeoMate ensures the highest level of safety for your smallest patients. For additional training resources, visit FERNO.com.